Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we are ripping 2021 Panini Optic NFL Mega Box. So far for this year's Optic NFL, I have ripped 2 blaster boxes. The best card I pulled so far was this Trey Lance Purple Shock rookie. Other than that, I didn't pull any downtown, so yeah, hopefully the Mega Box will treat us better. For mega boxes, the ceiling for sure is a lot higher than blaster boxes. In blaster boxes, there's no number cards, but for mega boxes, there's a chance to pull orange scope that's numbered to 79, and also there's different jersey memorabilia parallels that could be numbered to 50 or numbered to 1. Also, from the blasters, there was no auto that we could hit, but in mega boxes, there is a chance to get auto from the Signature Series Hollow. Even though nothing is guaranteed, but at least there's a chance of getting them. So yeah, hopefully we do better from this mega box than the blaster boxes and see if we can pull a downtown. So the mega box came out about 3 or 4 weeks ago. I wasn't able to get my hands on them when they first came out, and they sold out very quickly. So I was pretty much ready to give up on finding one anytime soon. And then yesterday I passed by a Walmart and they had this one last box left on the shelf. So let's see if there's any last box magic that we can get from here. And at least I get to rip one mega for this year's Optic. And for the Mega Box, there's the Mega Box exclusive Blue Hyper Parallels rated rookies that we should get 3 of, and also it's guaranteed 1 memorabilia card. So let's rip this open and see what we get. I'm recording this on the Sunday before the Sunday night football game. As a Steelers fan, I have very mixed feelings about today's results. So even though Steelers won in overtime on a walk-off field goal, looks like TJ Watt is maybe done for the season with a torn pectoral muscle. And so they'll do an MRI tomorrow to confirm, but so far not looking so good for the Steelers. So we'll see what happens. Let's get started with the Mega Box. I'm very happy that I've managed to get one box of Mega from Walmart. Let's see what we get. Starting off, we have Jalen Hurts. He was my fantasy team starting quarterback last year, and one of the reasons why I'm quitting fantasy football. My team last year was awful. George Kittle with a rated rookie of Boogie Basham, and then nice, of a rated rookie of Justin Fields. This is just a base Justin Fields rookie, but not bad. Oh, actually, the Boogie Basham was hollow. Almost missed that one. I wish it was the Justin Fields that was hollow. Boogie Basham rated rookie hollow. The prism in the back. Okay, first pack, not bad with the Justin Fields. Second pack looks pretty thick. Oh, looks like that's our mem card. Just get my one touch out. So the mem cards, there's a chance to be a number card, number 250 or 1, but let's see what we get. Darius Slayton, Corey Davis. Last card is a rated rookie of Brevin Jordan. Not a hollow, and then we'll flip over who a jersey card is. Got a Jordan Love Donruss Threads. Looks like it's just a base Donruss thread jersey card. The white, let's see. The memorabilia is not from any specific game or event. It's very typical of the retail products that it's nothing player worn or game worn from these jersey cards. But Jordan Love, cool. We'll see when he'll finally get his chance, when Aaron Rodgers maybe will move on when he retires. But for now, likely won't be getting his shot anytime soon. The fit is pretty tight. Okay, here's our jersey card. I was expecting a rookie jersey card, but Jordan Love, it's cool. He was a first round pick, but we'll be sitting for a while until Aaron Rodgers decides to move on. Third pack. Okay, starting off, we have a Jerry Jeudy, Stephon Diggs, Joe Burrow, and then Sam Ellinger, rated rookie. This was a base. Okay, so all base cards from that pack. So, haven't hit any of the hyper blue rated rookies yet. Damien Harris, TJ Watt, and sucks that he may be lost for the season. Then our hyper blue parallel is Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers. Then at the end we have Quinn Minres. So far, then the Justin Fields base rookie, nothing really crazy exciting yet. We have Emmitt Smith, T.Y. Hilton, Tutu Atwell rated rookie. So it looks like the non-base card is always a third card in each pack, and then it's a Dan Marino hollow. I'm hoping the last two hyper blue rookies will be one of the top quarterbacks. And starting off, we have Hunter Renfrow, Derrick Henry. Last card is Elijah Moden, and then looks like we're the first insert of Dominators Patrick Mahomes. Nice. The really good game one of the season. Okay, so 4 packs left. Nothing super exciting yet. Okay, so looks like with the hyper blue rookie here, starting off with Jordan Poyer for the Bills, DeForest Buckner for the Colts, Anthony Schwartz, rated rookie, and then our rated rookie Javon Holland for the Dolphins. Three packs left. See who can still hit a Mac Jones or Trevor Lawrence or Trey Lance somewhere. Irv Smith, J.J. Watt, Odafe rookie, and then another hollow, the Raider rookie, Elijah Moden. Well, at least for the hollows, we hit 2 rookies, even though they're defensive players and not super exciting. So 2 packs left. We should have one more hyper blue. And maybe one more insert. Okay, looks like this is an insert. Starting off with a Devin Singletary, a throwback Chad Johnson, rare rookie Elijah Moore. That looks like a retro series. Oh, well, another Chad Johnson. He was very fun to watch back in the day with all the touchdown celebrations. Yeah, it's cool that they're still making his cards nowadays. So last pack should have a last hyper blue rated rookie. Let's hope it's a good one to finish off the box. So it looks like we did not hit any downtown. Jamal Williams, Jameis Winston, our base Boogie Basham rated rookie, and then our very last card, it's another Panther, Tommy Tremble. So out of the 3 hyper blue rookies, 2 of them were Panthers. So let's do a quick recap. For the base, a bunch of base rookies, but for sure was the best one came in the first pack, Justin Fields. For the inserts and parallels, the 3 rookies were Tommy Tremble, Chuba Hubbard, and Javon Holland. Got a lot of defensive rookies in the parallels. So Javon Holland, Boogie Basham, rate rookie hollow. Elijah Moden, also rate rookie hollow. The Dominators, Patrick Mahomes, Dan Marino, hollow. Retro series, Chad Johnson. And then our 1 mem card per box was Jordan Love, which was not player or game used. So overall, it was okay for the box. Didn't pull anything really crazy exciting. Best card was probably just this jersey card from Jordan Love. So yeah, this is probably my last Optic box that I'll get for this season. We'll hope to get my hands on Select Football when they come out. Thanks for watching the video. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye.